Assalamualaikum. Me Mahi. Mahi ginami hunna ingeni teacher ke bunima nuni gym coach ke bunima. Then I recently became an author also. So Mahi is a lot. Em furatama teacher na wadaguni kuda kuda iru suraves chalkboard genguni iru sure beata carry kollagen kiyavaden hadamve. Then school nimmafa em furatama teaching Kohen Hadafa International School Kiyavadeni. Then after 9 years teaching field goal I should take this beyond that. Ehemvema amillaya art class take huluwagen brilliant friends upaduni hisabo. Teaching gawlamun was abaduwas warang active lifestyle ngule hibbe. Ehemvema henduni school dairu was Patiho hama jimma goslap abados dani. Den ehen ulemu hitangere nibeswara rangalu kamike daskurang. Den ehen memige mechanics daskurang megen coaching kohem mehade hadafa. I started training people and that's how the gym became my personality. Foing asudiyam mi feshuni teaching ko hoge therein foteng hadan jehunima hitangeri furtames emme inspire wa mihaka behe gotaka she foing hadani. Then hisabong mind ngay mama. Then mama inspired book ke furtama mi hedi. Then foing hedi rubara listening unda go basta ken hunna tive tang pale fase haname character den me hama inspire we hen kujje kiyaden kujje she is on spectrum and easily kiyene kala basta baliru she says Noora Sara ekala basta vara fase hai. Then hitangeri this could be character name ka vara nice vaaneye. Then hisabu Noora ge hingalun aslo yudangai. Aduhawan ke bihoriha kambalunna ves tembenuwa message ki komme kamaka ves kurumati lashe hibbara ekame kurang warang azumu kandalage. Sida ekame kurang hitu ala gotaka ekame nuvedaniye. Ehen nama ves hibbaru eduwanula kuriya dashe